Hi, my name is Yvonne Litzter. I'm 39 years old and I have been a migraine sufferer for about 15 years. It actually started with slight headaches in the back of my head, but then it started progressing over the months and years, worse and worse and worse. I originally come from Chicago. I have been to many hospitals. I was at the Loyola University. Many doctors have performed all kinds of tests on me, CAT scans, MRIs, to try to determine how bad the migraines were and what they can do. My migraines used to be so bad that I couldn't even function. Once I started feeling the migraine coming, I couldn't see. I had a halo. I had an extreme nausea. It pretty much was debilitating. I couldn't work. I couldn't do anything. I have tried a lot of different medication. I started with Imitrex, but I got to a point where I had to give myself shots, but it was so strong that you just feel like you're hungover for days afterwards. I tried Migraine, and then finally I started working with Topomax. I was on Topomax probably about 10 years, but it depends on the pressure in the air, it depended on weather or what I ate. Done a lot of research on different foods that cause the migraines. I had to avoid a lot of foods. It was very miserable. About 2 years ago, I met Dr. Owiesy, and he was talking to me about a migraine treatment and the side effects of Topomax and things that he could do with me. At first I was a little bit skeptical because I was in a comfort zone where I could take, ibuprofen, or I could take something else for it and it would help. But he said that if I give it a shot, it definitely will help. So finally, a couple of months ago, I ended up in Dr. Owiesy's office with absolutely excruciating pain that would just not go away for days. We were thinking maybe it was different things, that it could have been a nerve in my face or whatever have you, but he offered to give me the shots and said to give it a chance. The relief was immediate. The shots were not painful at all. It was just simply like, I don't know, maybe a little a bite or something. It was not unpleasant at all, and probably within 30 minutes I actually felt a relief. It was unbelievable. It was unreal. I went home that day. The next day I felt better. I had a couple of areas that I could still feel the pain. I came back, doctor gave me a couple of additional shots, and ever since I have not had a migraine at all. Occasionally, as him and I discussed, I might get just a headache from being tired or something, nothing that is simple, either ibuprofen or Tylenol will not take care of, but I have not had a migraine at all. No throbbing in my temples, no nausea from a headache, nothing. I would recommend this highly. It actually was life-changing. He also tapered me off Topomax. I don't have to take it anymore, and overall it was just a life-changing experience. So I feel that I am migraine-free after 15 years of being in severe pain and discomfort. I actually, after the first treatment, I came back probably 2 days after, because that is what we were discussing. It's 2 days after, because there were still some areas in my temple that was hurting, and it it just went away. It completely went away. I haven't had a migraine. There were weather changes and all kinds of different things, and I haven't had one.